students, now I am going to start question number 1 of exercise 3.4. Now question number 1 says state whether true or false. Here we have some statement given. We will have to check whether these statements are true or false. Now in the first part we have all rectangles are square. Now in a square all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree, and in a rectangle opposite sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. So all rectangles are not square because in a square all sides are equal. So this statement is false. Okay. Now coming to next. Now in the B part we have all rhombuses are parallelogram. So in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay. And opposite angles are equal, and in a rhombus all sides are equal. Here we have 4 sides and all 4 sides are equal. It is equal and parallel also. So a rhombus have all the properties of parallelogram. So we can say that all rhombuses are parallelogram. So this statement is true. Okay, now coming to C part. In C part we have all squares are rhombuses and also rectangles. Because in a square all sides are equal. Okay, and parallel, and all angles are also equal, and in a rhombus all sides are equal and parallel. Okay, and opposite angles in a rhombus are also equal, and in a rectangle opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal. So a square have all the properties of rhombus and rectangle. So we can say that squares are rhombus as well as rectangle. So this statement is true. Okay, now coming to D part. Now in D part we have all squares are not parallelogram. So this statement is false, as square is a parallelogram, as opposite sides in a square are equal and parallel. Okay, and the property of parallelogram is opposite sides are equal and parallel, and opposite angles are also equal. And in case of square, see, this is also having 90 degree and this is also having 90 degree. So opposite angles are also equal in a square. So this statement is false. Okay, now coming to next. In E part we have all kites are rhombuses. All rhombuses are kites. We can say that all rhombuses are kites, but all kites are not rhombuses. This is a kite in which opposite angles are equal, and in a kite consecutive sides are equal, and in a rhombus all sides are equal, and in kites these two sides are smaller. Okay, and these two are equal and these two are larger, which these two are equal. Okay, but in a rhombus all sides are of equal length, so all kites cannot be rhombuses. Okay, so this statement is false. Now coming to A part. Now in A part we have all rhombuses are kites. Now rhombus means all sides are equal, right? All sides are equal in a rhombus, and in a kite consecutive sides are equal. These two sides are smaller and these two sides are larger than that, but these consecutive sides are equal. as rhombus have all the properties of kites. In a kite, opposite angles are equal, and in a rhombus, opposite angles are equal. And in a kite, consecutive sides are of equal length. Here also these two have equal length, and these have equal length. Okay. Since all rhombuses have the properties of kites, so we can say that all rhombuses are kites. So this statement is true. Okay. Now coming to G part. In G part we have all parallelograms are trapezium. Now this is the parallelogram in which opposite sides are equal and parallel, and in a trapezium one pair of parallel sides are there. Okay, and in parallelogram one pair of parallel side is there. Okay, if there is at least one pair of parallel lines, then we can say that the parallelogram is a trapezium. So all parallelogram are trapezium. So this statement is true. Okay. Now coming to next part. Now in each part we have all squares are trapezium, and in a trapezium one pair of parallel lines are there. Okay, these and these are parallel, and in a square opposite sides are parallel. Two pair of sides are parallel in a square. Only we need one pair. So since in a square one pair of parallel sides are there, and we need only one pair to be a trapezium, so all squares are trapezium, because in a square one pair of sides are parallel, and if one pair of parallel sides are there, then the figure will be a trapezium. So all squares are trapezium. So this statement is true. Okay. So this was the last part of question number 1. Thank you, students.